Mwingi Central Sub-County DCIO Augustine Mutembei has confirmed the arrest of Kilonzi Ndonyi, a murder suspect accused of assaulting his 87-year-old grandmother, leading to her death last year. The elderly woman succumbed to her injuries in the hospital. Ndonyi had fled but was apprehended upon returning to his home in Kanyunda, Kivoi. He is said to be charged at the Mwingi law courts.
We mounted an operation within the area of Kanyunga shopping center. Whereby yesterday at around 8 p.m. we managed to arrest the suspect and escorted him to Mwingi Central Police Station. We are intending to produce the suspect to court tomorrow to answer to the charges of murder, whereby he caused the death of one Mwende Munuve, who was sentenced to 87 years after assaulting her and causing grievous bodily harm. The victim succumbed later in the month of September last year, but we could not arrest the suspect since that he had disappeared to a known place. I would take this opportunity to warn members of the public who may intend to commit crimes within this area and run to unknown places, or those who may intend to commit crimes elsewhere and come to this place. It is just time that they should know that the bushes have been cleared and that there is nowhere that they can hide after committing crimes.
All right, and that is where we wrap up KTN Weekend at 1. Thank you so much for your company. My name is Grace Nganga. Do continue enjoying your holiday.